Hi guys, how you doing? This is a brand new series on how to level up your video calls. We decided to produce this series because of our skills as videographers and production and media and all that sort of thing to do with lighting and microphones. We felt it could be useful to you to raise the bar a bit to set you above your competition on those client meetings or those networking events. So there's 5 episodes plus a final bonus episode on camera confidence. So not specifically to do with video calls, just a bonus one about getting ready to go on camera. The first episode is going to be on composition, and composition is very much what you're seeing here. We can give you 3 tips to level it up. The second episode is going to be on lighting, using LED lighting like we are here in the studio today, and using natural lighting. The third episode is going to be on the camera, the settings for your camera, what you do, what you can't do with a laptop camera, and then using external cameras like using your smartphone or using a professional level camera for your video calls. The fourth episode will be about microphones and headphones and why it is important when to use them and when not to use them. We're going to be talking about using microphones which is on your desk, first the microphones on your laptop or your computer. The final episode will be about the environment. Where are you taking these video calls? What's around you? Is there going to be anything to distract you on your video call? So we're going to delve into a bit more about creating that environment, your brand, your image, and making sure it's not just you trying to represent your business or sell what you have or build those business connections. Everything around you paints a picture of who you are. And finally, the bonus episode on camera confidence. Camera confidence is something we all had to fight with over the last year, as more of us now take on video calls and producing more video content to go out there. I'm going to give you around about 7 tips to get the best out of you so that you're the most relaxed person you can be in front of the camera on your video calls. So watch out. Every other day we're going to be releasing these episodes. If you would like to subscribe to this series on whatever platform you're following, if you're on YouTube, please press the subscribe and the notification bell. If you're watching this on LinkedIn, please comment, subscribe below, and I'll make sure that I tag you in on each episode released. On each episode, we'll be also recommending gear to buy. All my tips, there's an element of you can do things for free at no cost, and then several different levels about gear you can buy, from microphones to lighting to stands to all sorts of different things. So I hope you join us on this journey and you find it useful. Episode 1 is coming out in 2 days. So we'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.